tell me why. Tell me why.
Okay, yeah. I don't need this no more. I don't need to stay, finna walk out that door. My mistake, giving you love galore. Hope you find someone that can really adore you. Don't worry, I ain't keeping grudges, cause I'm doing better, life cannot be more golden. But honestly, I won't lie, sometimes I ask why I can't get you out my head, now hard to forget that I
really need to cut you off. You're always trying to lead me on. You're making all these promises, and you'd always quit. You're just another hypocrite. No, I'm can't she got no ahead. No, you thought that I would always stay, but you thought I'd be yours and she got my mind, no, but someone tell me why. Can't really fall from you. I still think about you. Tell me if
Alright, so I am about to do my makeup, okay? Now, I am not a professional makeup artist. I am not even a good makeup artist. I am just learning how to do my makeup, okay? And I decided to take you guys along with me on this journey. Now I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. primer. All right, so just put a little bit of it in with the Wind Beauty by Serena Williams. This is the hydrating tint. Okay, look at that bottle. It's so cute. Focus, camera. e.l.f. primer. This is the first time I'm using this. Let's see, did I get the right shade? All right, so now I'm using the Maybelline concealer. All right, so this look is a quick look. This is an easy, quick look. Like I said, I don't really do makeup a lot. I'm not a professional. I'm just learning, but I don't do, I don't like to a lot. I don't like my face to look like a mannequin. I just want to do this is just like a little hit and run. A hit and run. Oh, this concealer might be a little too light. Okay. All right, so I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette, but I'm going to use for my what is it called? Right, so I'm going to use this bright matte right here eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use it as for my blush. Okay, use this a little bit. I'm pretty sure that I'm probably using the wrong brush. When I tell you that I don't, I'm just really learning makeup. I am really just learning how to do makeup, honestly. Can you believe that? Back in the day when I was younger, it wasn't this complicated. We just used to just put on, lipstick, eyeshadow, call it a day. But now all these products. All right, so now I'm gonna put on the Fit Me powder. pressing powder. All right, now I'm going to do the go in with the LA Colors pencil, which is black. All right, go in with some mascara. You know, with the brand, I tore it out the box. All right, then I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild pencil for my liner. I love this. I found this today because I've been on a hunt for a nice lip liner that goes on like crayon. This is Kiss New York some lipstick I picked up someplace. It's a brown. Nice. All right, and now I'm gonna go in with a little shine.
Yeah. Conscious.
Up from Bath and Body Works.
Matic. Alright, so far away I come from. I sit and wonder about the times that it made sense, but nowadays I don't worry about what's past tense. My younger days I used to hang around with mad friends. If we just fell out, I don't really know what happened. A lot of people come around to keep you stagnant, distraction. So yeah, don't show them no compassion. We was really out here grinding, really rapping, stacking them Franklins, them Grants and them Jacksons. Imagine if we would've never chased our passion, we probably would've never knew what happened. They was all just talk, we showed action. Once they leave, don't you let them back in. Just pack up all they stuff and send them packing. I'm blacking on anybody thinking. Yeah. Conscious. Matic. Alright, so far away I come from. I sit and wonder about the times that it made sense, but nowadays I don't worry about what's past tense. My younger days I used to hang around with